If you're trying to build wealth in America, you've probably heard this question over and over again. Roth IRA or 401k? Which one is better? And the truth is, it depends. But by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one makes sense for you. Let's simplify everything. A 401k is a retirement account offered by your employer. A Roth IRA is a retirement account you open on your own. Both help you invest for retirement. Both offer tax advantages, but the way they give you tax benefits is very different. Let's start with the traditional 401k. When you contribute to a traditional 401k, the money goes in before taxes. That means it reduces your taxable income today. If you make $60,000 per year and contribute $5,000 to your 401k, you only pay taxes as if you earned $55,000. That's powerful. You save money on taxes right now. But here's the catch. When you retire and start withdrawing that money, you will pay taxes on it. Every dollar you take out is taxed as regular income. Now let's talk about the Roth IRA. With a Roth IRA, you contribute money after you've already paid taxes. There's no tax break today, but here's the benefit. When you retire, your withdrawals are completely tax-free, including all the growth. That means if your investments grow from $50,000 to $500,000 over decades, you can withdraw that money in retirement without paying federal income tax on it, as long as you follow the rules. So the big difference is simple. 401k, tax break now, pay taxes later. Roth IRA, pay taxes now, tax-free later. Now the next big question is, which one saves you more money? It depends on one key factor: your tax rate today versus your tax rate in retirement. If you believe you're in a high tax bracket right now and expect to be in a lower bracket in retirement, the traditional 401k can make sense. You get the bigger tax break today when it matters most. But if you're young, early in your career, and likely earning less than you will in the future, a Roth IRA can be extremely powerful. You lock in today's lower tax rate and enjoy tax-free growth forever. Now let's talk about employer matching. This is critical. Many employers offer a 401k match. For example, they might match 100% of your contributions up to 4% of your salary. That's free money. If your employer offers a match and you're not contributing enough to get the full match, you are literally leaving free money on the table. In that case, the 401k should usually be your first priority, at least up to the match. Free money beats tax strategy. After capturing the full match, many investors choose to fund a Roth IRA next for tax-free growth and flexibility. Speaking of flexibility, Roth IRAs have another advantage. You can withdraw your contributions, not the earnings, but the contributions, at any time without penalty. That gives you more access compared to a 401k, which is more restricted until age 59. Now let's talk contribution limits. 401ks allow much higher annual contributions compared to Roth IRAs. This makes 401ks powerful for high earners who want to invest large amounts for retirement. Roth IRAs have income limits. If you earn above a certain threshold, you may not qualify to contribute directly. 401ks don't have that same restriction for participation. So here's a simple strategy many financial experts recommend. Step 1. Contribute enough to your 401k to get the full employer match. Step 2. Max out your Roth IRA if you qualify. Step 3. Go back and increase your 401k contributions if you want to invest more. This gives you diversification not only in investments, but also in tax treatment. In retirement, having both taxable and tax-free income sources gives you more flexibility. Now let's address a common fear. Some people say, what if tax rates rise in the future? That's one argument in favor of Roth accounts. If taxes increase over time, having tax-free withdrawals later could protect you. No one knows future tax policy, but diversification helps reduce that uncertainty. Another difference is required minimum distributions. Traditional 401ks require you to start withdrawing money at a certain age, whether you need it or not. Roth IRAs do not have required minimum distributions during your lifetime. That means your money can continue growing tax-free for longer. Now let's bring it all together. If you are early in your career, in a lower tax bracket, and your employer offers a match, a powerful combo strategy is get the 401k match first. Then aggressively fund a Roth IRA. If you're a high earner looking to reduce your taxable income today, maxing out your traditional 401k may make more sense. And if you want simplicity, the truth is this: you probably can't go terribly wrong with either one if you consistently invest and think long term. The real mistake is not choosing the wrong account. The real mistake is not investing at all. Retirement accounts are tools. The power comes from time in the market, consistent contributions, and compounding growth. Imagine investing $500 per month starting in your 20s. Over 30 to 40 years, that can grow into hundreds of thousands, even over $1 million, depending on returns. But only if you start. So which is better, Roth IRA or 401k? The best answer for most people is not one or the other. It's using both strategically. Get the employer match. Take advantage of tax-free growth. Invest consistently. Think long-term. That's how you win.